My name's Brian. I am a crew leader / mechanic for out-of-town work for Russell Tree Experts. I'm in Augusta, Georgia with 9 other guys, and we are cleaning up storm debris from the Hurricane Helene. When the hurricane came through, it left a pretty big mess, lots of trees everywhere, covering roads, houses, lawns. Our goal is to go around and pick up all the tree debris and get it to these dumps that they have set up to clean up the roads and get everybody in Augusta back to their normal lives. We're using 9 of these Grapple trucks with Grapple trailers, and their tools that they're using, they take out their chainsaws. If something's too big, needs cut down to fit in their trucks, they're going to take those. And hard hats, safety glasses, we're still wearing our proper PPE. A typical day, our trucks bring in about 6,500 yards debris. Some guys are getting 6 loads a day, some guys are getting 9 to 10 loads a day. They're trying to just get it cleaned up, not leave anything behind, keep it clean. Over the course of the 4 months, we'll have a couple 100,000 yards brought in. We got here at the beginning of October. It seems to be we probably will leave around February, maybe March. We work about, on these short days in the winter, about 12 hours a day from around 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., 7 days a week. We've been home for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year. I think the best part of my trip so far here is when we all get together and go out as a company, as a group, and just enjoy dinner together, enjoy each other's company and time. I'd like to give a big shout out to all the guys that came down away from their families to do this work for us, and they're just every day putting the grind in and getting this cleaned up. I'd like to really give a big shout out to me for keeping all these trucks running. You're welcome. It's hard work. It's not easy. They put a pretty big beating on these trucks to clean up, but I'm doing the best I can.
All right, Brian, I think that's all for this interview, so thank you for your time.
Yeah, you're welcome. I'm glad to do it. Yeah. Action. No, I got it. I had an itchy ear, and that felt good too. I didn't say or so. Okay.